How to fix login error on Dundle. If you want to fix login error and you're facing on Dundle, the first thing you can try to check is your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't and you're using the Dundle app on Android, long press the Dundle app icon, tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page from where you can go to storage and you can clear the cached files and you can also try to clear the data. Go to your Play Store or App Store and search for the Dundle app. Check if the app has an update, and if it does, then you want to make sure to update it to the latest version. If this is still not helping you solve the problem, check if your credentials are correct. So enter the email address associated with your Dundle account quite fairly and make sure it is correct and verify the OTP code, or you can directly log in with Google by selecting login with Google and selecting one of your Google accounts to log in with Dundle. That's all it takes. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.